Hey guys, welcome back. After this video, I'm going to show you how to fix low audio quality on Discord with Bluetooth headphones. So what you can do to fix this, so I basically had this problem before where my audio was like not that good, like I was in a empty room and stuff and the sound wasn't that good. So what you want to do to fix this is open this one, sound settings, and click on more volume settings. Once you click on that, this window will open. Click on more sound settings. And here I have my Bluetooth gaming headset right here. Now click on recording and make sure that the headset that you are using or the Bluetooth headset that you're using is disabled, because this is the one that makes your audio bad or something. So I have a separate microphone, so I don't really mind. But if you really need your mic, but you basically can't do anything to fix it. So if you want to fix it, you should really disable it, and I suggest that you have a separate mic for you to use. So make sure that this is disabled by clicking on it, and this should, for me, it's enabled. I mean the option is enabled because technically it's disabled, but for you guys it will be disabled. And just click on it and click on OK, click on exit. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.